Hello everyone, welcome to Pro PCS, your one-stop solution for state PCS exams, UPSC and other administrative exams. So, MPPSC conducted Assistant Professor exam on 1st June 2025 and I hope your exam went really well. In this video, we will go through the solutions of botany paper, that is paper 2 of MPPSC Assistant Professor exam, and the set that we are going to discuss here is set C. Okay, now answers to some question they may differ and I'll definitely update you about the same in the comment box, but please feel free to put your suggestions in the chat box. If you're not satisfied with the option marked as correct in this video, you can definitely reach out to me over the comment box. Okay, all right everyone, so yeah, let's get started. The very first question says, in onion and garlic the food is stored in. So yeah, what will be the correct answer to this question everyone? The correct answer to this question will be leaves. Okay, please have a note of it. Option number D will be the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Filament tissue meant for absorption of moisture from air is found in. So the correct answer to this question will be both A and B. Okay, both A and B are the correct answers. Orchids and vanda, in both we can find filament tissues. So yeah, the correct answer here will be both A and B. Alright. The third question is the inflorescence of family Asteraceae. So the correct answer for this particular question will be option number B, that is capitulum. Alright. So yeah, let's proceed further. The question coming from floral formula, a very easy question we can say. So yeah, the correct answer to this particular question will be Solanaceae. That is option number B. Alright, let's now proceed further. Let's discuss question number 5. Female gametophyte is in an angiospermic plants is called. So what is going to be the answer for this question? The correct answer for this question will be embryo sac. Alright. Sixth question. Vessels are absent in the xylem of which of the following angiosperms? So the correct answer to this particular question will be dremis. Okay, that is option number C. Please have a note of it. Let's proceed to question number 7. Decompound leaves are found in which of the following? So the correct answer to this question will be option number C, that is coriander. Next question. In which of the following chloroplasts are found in the bundle sheath cells of leaves? So the correct answer for this particular question will be option number B, that is sugarcane. Alright, please have a note of it. Option number B, sugarcane. Let's proceed to the next question, that is 9. Presence of cystolith in the leaves is an important anatomical feature of the family. The correct answer to this will be acanthaceae. Okay, very easy question. Alright, now let's proceed further ahead and let's talk about question number 10. Cercinotropous ovule is found in. So the correct answer to this will be option number 1, that is opuntia. Alright everyone, so question number 10, the correct answer will be option number A. Question number 11 is from ecology. Which is an example of tertiary consumer? Very easy question I must say. So yeah, the correct answer to the question will be hawk. Alright, let's move to question number 12, a question coming from Environment Protection Act 1986. The question is asking environment word is defined in which section or clause of Environment Protection Act 1986, and yes, the correct answer to this question will be section 2A, that is your option number A. Let's proceed to question number 13, which is related to pedogenesis. So the correct answer to this question will be humidification, elevation. All three of them are correct. So yes, all of the above will be the correct answer. Ozone layer is found in, very basic question. Ozone layer is found in stratosphere. I believe you all have marked it correctly. Yeah. So yeah, option number B, stratosphere will be the correct answer. Now we are going to discuss question number 15. Which national park in MP is renowned for its highest density of Bengal tigers? So everyone, this question is important from your GS perspective as well, right? MPGK, because this question is very important for MPGK under national parks and forests of MP. Alright, so have a note of it. Answer will be Bandhavgarh, option B. Question number 16. Match the type of lipid aggregates with their characteristics. So we have micelles, bilayers and liposomes, and then we have some characteristics alongside in the another column. The correct answer to this particular question will be option number C, that is J1, K3 and L2. Please have a note of it. Okay, so for question number 16, the correct answer will be option number C. Okay, let's now move to question number 17. Question number 17 is saying match the lipid types to their likely location or role in membrane. Okay, location or role in membrane. So in one column we have lipid types and on the other side we have characters and functions. So the correct answer to this particular question will be option number A. Okay, 1 is related to L, 2 is related to J, 3 is related to K. Let's now discuss question number 18. Again, a match the following type question in column A. As you can clearly see, we have the components which are associated or related to nucleosome assembly, and then in column B we have the description for the same. So yes, the correct answer for this particular question will be option number 1. Okay, all right. Let's now proceed further and let's talk about question number 19. The role of telomerase in solving end replication problem is that we have four options. The correct option in this particular question will be option number B. Telomerase replenishes telomere DNA sequence using an RNA template, that is the part of enzyme itself, allowing the lagging strand replication to be completed. Okay, so option number B will be the correct answer for question number 19. All right, let's now proceed to question number 20. So again, we have some components in column A, match the column type question, and some components in column B. And the correct answer to this particular question, question number 19, will be option, I'm sorry, it will be option number D. Okay, just a second. Yeah. So, for question number 20, the correct answer will be option number D. Okay, let's now proceed further. I think the page is repeated in this PDF. Yes, here is question number 21. Potato spindle tuber disease is caused by which of the following? So, the correct answer to this question will be viroid. Very, very important question. Okay, interesting as well. Sickle shaped conidia. The question is asking about sickle shaped conidia. So, sickle shaped conidia are formed in which of the following? So, the correct answer for this will be option number B, helminthosporium. Helminthosporium will be your correct answer. Okay, let's now move to question number 23. Ergot toxins are produced by which of the following? So this, yes, the correct answer for this question will be Claviceps purpurea. Okay. Yeah, let's move to the next question. Nucleic acid core of virus is protected by which of the following? The correct answer for this question will be protein. Protein will be your correct answer. Let's now move to question number 25. The non-motile male gamete of rhodophyce is called as. So yeah, the question is asked from rhodophyce, and yeah, the correct answer for the question will be tetraspore. That is your option number D. So question number 25, answer option number D. Question number 26. Transformation was discovered by. So yes, none other than Griffith. Very, very easy question. This is something that we have studied in our 12th or 11th grade books as well. Yeah. Now, red rust of tea is caused by. What will be the correct answer to the question? Cephaloris virescens. Okay, so that will be the correct answer for this particular question. Question number 27, option A. Yellow rust of wheat is caused by. Okay, so the correct answer for this particular question will be option number B, Puccinia stiformis. Option number B will be the correct answer. Okay, have a note of it. Let's move to question number 29. Phages which show lysogenic cycle are called as. So yeah, the correct answer will be temperate phases. Okay, so if the some people pronounce it as like phage. Okay, so phages which show a lysogenic cycle, one called temperate phages or temperate phages. Okay, let's now proceed further to question number 30. Oogamous sexual reproduction is not found. Okay, the question is asking not found in which of the following? So your correct answer will be ectocarpus. Okay, So yeah, ectocarpus, option number C will be the correct answer. Which of the following is true about photorespiration? So yes, the correct answer for this will be option number D, that in peroxisomes, glycolate oxidase catalyzes the oxidation of glycolate by O2 producing H2O2 and glycosylate. Yeah. So this will be your correct answer. Option number D becomes the correct answer for question number 31. Question number 32. Which of the following is not true about transport of oxygens? Not true about transport of oxygens. So the correct answer will be option number C. Acropital transport occurs through vascular and cortical tissues. Okay, so acropital transport occurs but not through vascular and cortical tissues. So yeah, the correct answer over here will be option number C. This is not true. Okay, so yeah, let's proceed to question number 33. Which of the following is not a effect of ethylene in plants? So what will be the correct answer to this? Not a effect of ethylene in plants. So the correct answer to the question will be option number C. It inhibits the growth of root and root hair. This is not correct. This is incorrect. Okay, it does not inhibits the growth of root and root hairs. So yeah, option question number 33, the correct answer will be option number C. Okay, so yes, now let's proceed to question number 34. Which of the following is a long day plant? Yes, so the correct answer to this will be Melilotus alba. Very very interesting question. Okay, so yeah, the correct answer will be Melilotus alba. Question number 35. Which of the following is not correct about terpenes? So yeah, the correct answer in this question will be option number B. Gibberellins are sesquiterpenes. Okay, so gibberellins are sesquiterpenes. This is not the correct statement, right? So yeah, 35, option number B will be the correct answer. Question number 36. Rifamycins are group of antibiotics that kill bacterial cells by inhibiting. Okay, now what will be the correct answer in here? It will be RNA polymerase. Yeah, RNA polymerase will be the correct answer. Question 37. Which sequence serves as the ribosome binding site during translation in bacteria? So for this particular question, the correct answer, question number 37, the correct answer will be Shine-Dalgarno sequence. Everyone please make a note of it. Okay, this question is very very important. Okay, it is associated with translation of bacteria, and this Shine-Dalgarno sequence is very very important. Now amino acids binds to which part of the tRNA? Question number 38, and the correct answer will be the 3 dash and. Okay, now question number 39. In elongation process of translation, the creation of peptide bonds between amino acids is catalyzed by. Yes, so here the correct answer will be rRNA. Alright, let's now move further ahead. Question number 40. The lac operon of E. coli is an example of very easy question, negative inducible operon. The correct answer over here will be option number C. Let's now move ahead with question number 41. Circular dichromosome, that is CD spectroscopy, is used to determine which of the following? The correct answer over here will be option number C, that is secondary structure. Lymphocytes, question number 42. Lymphocytes are also known by which of the following name? Super easy question, the easiest question of this paper, WBCs, right? What light source is used in most of the flow cytometers? So yeah, the correct answer over here will be laser light. Laser light is used the most. A technique used to differentiate genome of a hybrid dish, that is option number C. Alright, which of the following are the characteristic of a vector? So yes, easy question, origin of replication, restriction site and the host marker. Okay, that this will be the correct answer. Let's now move to question number 46. Hairpins are formed in DNA as a result of. We are discussing question number 46. So the correct answer to this question will be option number D. Sequences on the same strand that are inverted and complementary. So yeah, that will be the correct answer over here. Question number 47. Consider this following statement. The three-dimensional structure of DNA described by Watson and Crick is termed as bDNA. Absolutely correct. A and Z DNA have a left-handed helix. Is this true? Do you think? No, it's not correct. They have right-handed helix. A DNA is shorter and wider than B DNA. Yes, this statement is correct. And then base pair in per turn of helix are equal in A, B, and Z DNA. Okay, so we have to find out the sorry, we have to find out the correct statement over here, right? So the correct statement over here will be option number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's now proceed further, and we will be now discussing question number 48. Primers are synthesized where on the lagging strand? Question number 48. So the correct answer to this question will be option number C, at the beginning of every Okazaki fragment. Okay, that is option number C. Yes, now let's proceed to question number 49. Most bacterial promoters have A10 consensus canonical sequence, which is called as the Pribnow box. Okay, so the correct answer to this question will be option number C. Question number 50, again match the column type question, and the correct answer to this question will be option number D. First is related to 2, second is related to 3, third is related to 1, fourth is related to 4. Question number 51, which of the following is not a distinguishing feature of Bryopsida? Easy question. The correct answer here will be rhizoids are simple. So rhizoids are multicellular. Do try to understand over here. So rhizoids are multicellular in Bryopsida. Here the answer is saying rhizoids are simple and without septa. That is not a distinguishing feature. Which of the following is in order of class Hepaticopsida? The correct answer will be Calobriales. Easy question. Question number 53. Which of the following bryophyte is used to cure pulmonary tuberculosis? And the correct answer for the question will be Markensia polymorpha. Option number B. Let's now discuss question number 54. Which of the following statement is not correct about pteridophytes? So yeah, the correct answer over here will be option number C. Mature sporophytes are dependent on gametophyte. No, they are independent. So yes, the statement is incorrect, and the correct answer here will be option number C. Question number 55. Which of the following pteridophyte is not correctly paired with its economic importance? So lygodium is not utilized as food, so this will be the incorrect one over here. Who developed the concept of ecological pyramid? Easy question. That's Charles Elton in 1927. Okay, the acid rain pH usually varies between, easy question, 3 and less than 6. Okay, next question. The order of different layers with respect to thermal stratification of deep lenting water from top to bottom is. So this is question number 58, and the correct answer will be option number A. Alright, epilimnion, and then we have thermocline, and then hypolimnion. Alright, so yeah, that will be your correct answer for question number 58. Question number 59. Organism living on the bottom of the sea lake and deep water bodies are called as benthos. So correct answer here will be option number A. Question number 60. Which of the following is related to Nagoya Protocol? All of the options are correct over here. Pharmaceutical industry, soil conservation, and biological diversity. So yeah, the correct answer over here will be all of the above. Let's move to question number 61. In Dakshina Kannada district, which of the following communities practice the custom of earmarking portions of cropland as a Bhairavanas in the name of Lord Bhairava, where trees like Strychnos naxvomica and Alstonia scholaris are maintained? So the correct answer to this question will be option number D, everyone. Alright, Marathi Naika, Melkudia, and Malnad Vokaliga. Now let's move to question number 62. The World Wildlife Fund, that is WWF US, has supported a local ethnobotanical garden in Sibundoy Valley of Colombia, which was established in 1988 by an Indian origin, Pedro Hajiboy Chindoy. He belonged to which indigenous group? So yeah, the correct answer will be option number C. The question is from indigenous groups of India, Kamsa Indian. The most commonly used traditional remedy for 3 days sickness. Okay, so your favorite, our favorite, Osmum sanctum, Tulsi. Okay, now let's proceed further, and let's talk about 64th question. Kuttu flower, widely consumed during the Navratras, is derived from which of the following plants? So yeah, easy question. Buckwheat will be your correct answer. So 64 is A. 65. In most cereals, callus tissue exhibits organogenesis when transferred from a medium containing 2,4-D to a medium with which of the following plant hormone? So yeah, the correct answer over here will be option number A, cytokinin. Question number 66, the arrangement of leaves in the bud. Okay, so the examiner was trying to confuse you here. Arrangement of leaves is phyllotaxy, okay, phyllotaxy, but it is asking arrangement of leaves in the bud. Okay, so then it is Tixis. That is option number B, Tixis. All right. What type of pollination are orchids, that is members of family Orchidaceae, adapted to? Easy question. It will be insects. Yeah. So now question number 68. When treated with tetrazolium salt solution, the viable pollen grains, they turn red. Important question. So yeah, it will be red. So the question number 69, in corn grain, the proteinaceous food is stored in, again something that we have learnt in our 10th, 11th, 12th books, right? So 10th, 11th, 12th biology books. So the correct answer over here will be option number C, and a easy question. The development of unfertilized egg into embryo is called as, easy question again, parthenogenesis, right? Okay, let's now move to the next question, 71. Which of the following plant is commonly used in bitter tonics? So the correct answer over here will be Andrographis paniculata, A paniculata, and yes, here we go with option number A for question 71. Okay, so everyone, after you get the official answer key from MPPSC, some answers may differ, or you may not get aligned with some answers that I'm discussing over here in this video. You can definitely write the same over the comments, and I'll definitely look into it and make the required changes. So yeah, let's discuss question number 72. Which element is necessary in plant tissue culture media for normal cell division, protein synthesis, chlorophyll synthesis, and nitrate reduction? So yeah, the correct answer over here, we are discussing question number 72, will be nitrogen. All right. Yeah, let's now proceed further. Which one of the following wheat is hexaploid? So the correct answer to this will be Triticum aestivum is hexaploid. Okay, 74. The Canis tribe used Trichopus zileniucus species Traven coricus, which is considered equivalent to which of the following? So yeah, the correct answer to this will be ginseng. Alright, question number 75. In Ayurveda, Atropa belladonna, commonly known as Indian belladonna, is referred to as which of the following? The correct answer to this will be Shabiraj. Okay. Next question is question number 76. The stele with overlapping leaf gaps is known as, so the correct answer to this will be dictyostele. Question number 77. Which of the following is not true about Antheridium of Pteropsida? So yeah, the correct answer will be option number D. In leptosporangiate type, the Antheridia are large, massive, and produce over 100 spermatozoid. So this is not true when we talk about the Antheridium of Pteropsida. Okay, question 78. Sporophytes are rootless in which of the following group of pteridophytes? I'm sorry. So yeah, the correct answer to that will be Psilopsida. Okay. All right, let's now move further ahead with 70, question number 79. The innermost layer of wall of megasporangium in Lycopsida is known as. So yeah, the inner layer it is asking about, it will be tapetum. All right, let's now move further ahead to question number 80. Sendrac, a hard resin, is obtained from which of the following? The correct answer over here will be Calitris gluca. Okay, that will be the correct answer, that is option number C. Question number 81. Which of the following is not true about water potential? So it will be option number C. It is not correct that water will move from low to high water potential. That's not correct, that's completely incorrect. So yeah, the option C will be the correct answer. Question number 82. Plants that develop root pressure frequently produce liquid droplets on the edges of their leaves. This phenomenon is called as, so yeah, this phenomenon is called as guttation. Very basic question. Question number 83. The technique of growing plants with their roots immersed in nutrient solution without soil is called as hydroponic, will be the correct answer. Which of the following enzyme catalyzes the reaction mentioned below during glycolysis? 2-phosphoglycerate, 2-phosphoenol pyruvate. So yeah, the correct answer over here will be option number B, that is phosphoglycerate kinase. So yeah, option B will be the correct answer. Yeah. So the question was from glycolysis, very important process. Question number 85, which of the following is correct sequence of reaction taking place during tricarboxylic acid cycle? So yeah, the correct answer over here will be oxaloacetate to citrate, then isocitrate, succinyl coenzyme A, succinate and fumarate. So option number C will be the correct answer. Question number 86, the structural and functional diversity of endoplasmic reticulum is reflected across different cell types as. So the correct answer for this will be RER synthesizes protein, SER handles lipid metabolism and detoxification. So yeah, the correct answer to this will be question number C. Okay, now sorry, option number C. Question 87, the function of G1S cyclins is to activate CDKS to stimulate chromosome duplication. So what will, sorry, the question was the function of G1S cyclins is 2. So then we have four options, and the correct answer to this question will be option number C, that is activate CDKS in early G1 stages to trigger progression through start cell cycle. Okay, so the correct answer over here will be option number C. Okay, for 87, option C. For 88, the sister chromatids are primarily held together during cell cycle by, the correct answer will be cohesion complex, that is question answer number B. 89, at which stage of mitosis do the chromosome align at the equator of the spindle, midway between the spindle poles? So the correct answer to this will be metaphase. Yes. Let's proceed to question number 90. What is the role of contractile ring during cytokinesis? So the correct answer to this will be it divides cytoplasm into two to create two daughter cells. So that is your option number C. For question number 90, the correct option is option number C. Question number 91, attenuation results when attenuation results when which regions of 5-UTR pairs? So the correct answer to this question will be option number B, that is 2 and 3. Okay, let's now proceed to question number 92. Select the correct pair. So yeah, the correct answer over here will be option number C. F dash F factor presented separate circular plasmid carrying some bacterial genes, right? So yeah, option C will be the correct answer over here. Question number 93, reduction or loss in vigor and fertility is known as, easy question, inbreeding depression. Okay, now the first oncogen called SRC was isolated from, so the correct answer to this particular question will be the Ross sarcoma virus, that is RSV. Okay, let's now move to question number 95. In which technique DNA probe can be used to determine the chromosomal location of a gene while it is in the cell? So while it is in the cell, therefore the correct answer here will be in situ hybridization. Okay, now the term that describes a variety of an organism that continues to produce the same trait after several generations of self fertilization. So yeah, the correct answer over here will be true breeding line. Okay, the loss of function alleles is informative to geneticists. Why? Because they provide clues about the mutation effect, the mutations that affect the phenotype expression of the trait. So that is option number A. Option number A will be your correct answer. Question number 98, which of the following is the correct statement about chromosomal deletion? So yeah, everyone, for now you can consider the answer to the question as question number 2. Okay, but then there are 2 3 options more, like one more option is there which can also be correct. Okay, all right, so that's why we are not very clear with the answer to this particular question. All right, so yeah, let's move to the next question, that is 99. How euploidy can be distinguished from aneuploidy? Okay, so the correct answer, this is question number 99 everyone, and the correct answer to the question will be euploidy alters the number of complete chromosomal set, while aneuploidy involves a change in number of particular chromosome within a set. Okay, so this is option number B. For question 99, option B will be the answer. The component, question 100, the component which is most likely to be found in the lipid rafts. So yeah, the answer for this question will be GPI anchored proteins and the signaling molecules. That will be the correct answer. Let's move to question number 101. Light microscopes are used to view which of the following? So yeah, the correct answer to this question will be both alive and fixed specimen. Okay, all right. Let's now move to the next question. An example of fluorescent dye or fluorochrome is, so the correct answer to the question will be DAPI dye. Okay. Question number 103. Expand SDS page. So the correct answer to this question will be sodium dodecyl sulfate polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis, that is SDS page. Okay. Let's now move to question number 104. The relationship between DNA concentration and absorption is linear up to an absorption at A260 nm of. So the correct answer over here will be 1. Option number A, 1. Question 105. Crystallography is a biophysical method used to determine which of the following. So, the correct answer to the question will be the structure of biomolecule. Okay, that is the 3D structure of biomolecule. Option number C will be the correct answer. Okay, now option number question 106. Which genus is used for treating chronic dysentery? The correct answer for this will be option number A, that is Holarina. Okay, let's move to the next question. 107. Which process is used to prepare silage from stalks of plants like corn and sorghum? So the correct answer to this will be anaerobic fermentation, that is option number B. Easy question. The first transgenic tobacco plants expressing engineered foreign genes were produced with the help of which bacterium? And the correct answer for the question will be Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Okay, option number B. Question 109. Which one of the following plant species are most commonly used by the nurserymen in India for transportation of live plants from one place to another? So that is sphagnum. Okay, easy question. Question number 110. Which of the following terms refers to the smallest unit of sound in a language that can distinguish one word from the other? So it is phoneme. Okay, so phoneme will be your answer. Option number B will be the correct answer over here. Now let's move to question number 111. Bisporic 8 nucleate type of embryo sac development takes place in which of the following? So the correct answer over here will be Allium. Okay, everyone. Now let's move to question number 112. Pollination through bats take place in which of the following? So the correct answer over here will be Kiglia africana. So that will be the correct answer. Option number A. Question 113. Mosaic endosperm is found in which of the following? So the correct answer to this will be Ziamase. Ziamase will be your correct answer. Okay. Let's move to question number 114. Cypsela type of fruit is found in. So the correct answer for this question will be sunflower. Okay, Cypsela type of fruit is found in sunflower. Now, who discovered the phenomenon of double fertilization in angiosperm? The correct answer will be Navashchin. Option number C will be your correct answer. Okay. Question number 116. Pisum sativum, that is mutter, it belongs to which family? So, Pisum sativum, that is P, belongs to Fabaceae. Okay. Next question 117. When the anthers are united together and filaments are free, the stamens, it is asking about stamens, right? So the correct answer will be syngentions. So that is option number D. Okay. Question 118. Type of fruit in prunus peach is known as. So the correct answer will be, it is known as drupe. Okay. Phloem parenchyma tissue is that together absent in most of the answer will be monocot stems. Okay. Question 120. In Calotropis procera, commonly called arc or madar, the pollen grains are aggregated into clusters known as pollinia. That is option number C. For question 120, C will be the correct answer. Question 121. Bacterial cell wall is composed of the following. So it will be peptidoglycan or mucopeptide. That is option number B. Question 122. Terminal heterocysts are found in which of the following? Okay, so again the correct answer for this question will be gliotrichia. Just a second, everyone. Yeah, so the correct answer to this question will be it will be gliotrichia. Okay. Then question number 123, Isnia is an example of which of the following? So the question is from lichens and the correct answer will be fructose lichen. Okay, let's now move to question 124. Which of the following is diplentic? So the correct answer for the question will be saprolignia. Okay, question 125. Doliport septum is characteristic feature of which of the following? The correct answer will be Basidiomycotina. Okay, option number B will be the correct answer. Question number 126. Organelle transformation means, so the correct answer over here will be gene transfer into plasmid genome of the host cell. It will be the correct answer. Option D for question 126. Question 127. Vectors characterized by the presence of which of the following? So the correct answer over here will be TEL, CN, ARS and marker genes. So the correct answer will be your option number A for question 127. Question 128. Which of the following is not a plant transformation technique? So yeah everyone, the correct answer over here will be the somatic embryogenesis. It's not a plant transformation technique. Okay, all right. So like if we talk about plant tissue culture, organogenesis, it's part of it, but not a plant transformation technique. Which of the following is not a biofertilizer? So the correct answer over here is pseudomonas, as it is a, if we talk about pseudomonas, it is denitrifying bacteria. Okay. So yeah, let's now proceed further for question 130. Which of the following is microbially produced biodegradable plastic? Very common these days. So yeah, the correct answer over here will be polyhydroxybutyrate. So the correct answer will be option number C. Okay. Question 131. Which of the following group is not paired correctly with its enzyme? The correct answer will be option B, amidases with pepsin. Okay. Now question number 132. Which of the following is paired correctly? So yeah, the correct answer over here will be erythrose. That's a monosaccharide. Okay. 133. Which of the following statement is not true about phloem translocation? So translocation in the phloem is not defined sap in the phloem is translocated exclusively in an upward direction. So yeah, that will be the incorrect statement because it's bidirectional when we talk about phloem. It is unidirectional in xylem, bidirectional in phloem. Okay. Question number 134. Which of the following is a small water soluble copper containing protein that transfers electron between cytochrome B6F complex and P700? So yeah, the correct answer over here will be plastocyanin. Okay. Question 135. Which of the following reaction is from a reduction phase of Kelvin-Benson cycle? So everyone do try to understand that we are not very clear with the answer to this question. There are certain options which seems to be the correct answer of this question. So yeah, let's wait for the final answer key for this particular question. Let's now move to question number 136. Which of the following periods does not belong to Paleozoic era? So yeah, the correct answer will be Cretaceous era. Cretaceous. Okay, option C. Question 137. In which type of fossils the rock upon splitting show negative replica and all the surface of the plant part is involved? The correct answer for the question will be impressions. Option number D. Question 138. Seed ferns. Okay, so seed ferns belong to which of the following? The correct answer to the question will be pteridospermales. Okay, pteridospermales will be the correct answer. Which of the following is not true about ephedrals? Okay, so not true about ephedrals. The correct answer to the question will be Embryosechus tetrasporic. So option number C will be the correct answer. Question 140. Which of the following is not correct about coniferales? So the correct answer over here will be option number D, that is secondary wood is menoxylic. This statement is not correct if we talk about coniferales. Okay. Question 141. Quiescent center in root tip was first reported in which of the following species? The correct answer will be Zea mays. Okay. Question 142. Chloroplasts are found in the outer layers of root cortex of. So the correct answer over here will be the aerial roots of Tinospora. Okay. Next question. Velamen tissue is found in roots of which of the following? So the correct answer to the question will be orchids. Tunica corpus theory regarding apical meristems was given by which of the following? The correct answer over here for question number 144 will be option number B, that is Schmidt. So now let's proceed further. Let's discuss question number 147. I'm so sorry, everyone. Yeah, question number 145. So, which dicotyledonous taxa possesses scattered vascular bundles in the steel? So, the correct answer to the question will be pepperware. Okay. Question 146. The author of book entitled Principle of General Morphology of Organism. Who's the writer of this book? It is Ernest Haeckel. That is option number B. Okay. Question 147. The best statement for food web and species interaction in ecological community will be option A. Food web displays a complexity of intervened internal interactions that differ from simple linear food chains. So that will be your correct answer. Okay, let's move to question 148. An accurate description of primary succession is, so yeah, it will be B. It can take place on sites such as sand dunes and newly exposed glacial till. Okay, so yeah, let's now proceed further to question 149. That is the second last question of our today's discussion. So yeah, the question is, the aim of Wildlife Protection Act 1972 is to achieve. So what will be the correct answer over here? Option number A, establishing national parks and sanctuaries. Now let's do the last question of this paper. The estimated half life of a species is. So everyone, the question is not complete, we think, because the question is not asking about any particular species, right? The estimated half life of a species. So yeah, let's wait for the answer key for the question, this question as well. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This video was very important because we understand that as soon as our exam, as soon as we come out of the exam center, the first and foremost thing that comes to our mind is that let's go and check how many questions I have done correctly, right? So yeah, everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such content related to MPPSC examinations, UPSC, or any other administrative exams, the assistant professor exams of other states as well, keep following us. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So yeah, do like, share and subscribe if you love today's video. Until the next time we meet, take care of yourself, and yes, keep growing. And yes, if you find the answer to any question incorrect, please let me know in the comment box. I'll cross check the same and will do the necessary. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here with me, and all the best for your future examination. Till the next time we meet, keep growing. Bye bye.